Miss Myers, any reason for your speed tonight?
Well, sir, I didn't. First of all, can you show me where there's a speed limit sign? I'll walk with you back there.
It's right back there as soon as you come on.
Okay. I swear I did not see it.
Okay.
I don't live out there. I came out here to pick up the girl that lives down here so we can go over to Steiner's Ranch and check on him because he's 98 years old and he came on earlier to see if we were going to come over.
Yes, ma'am. Miss Myers, there's going to be a citation issued out on your speed. Tell you what, I'll be right back. Matter of fact, I need your insurance card.
Please, look, spare me this time. I promise I will never speed on
I need
this
to
road
see your
again.
insurance card, ma'am.
Sir? So I guess that's not going to work, is it?
No, ma'am. Need to see your insurance card, please.
Damn it. You know, I never can get... Here's my goddamn fucking driver's license card. Just take me in, okay? I'm tired of these goddamn fucking speeding tickets.
Ma'am, just try to calm down.
No! It's 3! I'm a single mother. Do you understand? I am a single mother. I have spent $300 in the past year on traffic tickets. I can't afford it. I'm getting ready to lose my fucking house.
Ma'am.
Take me in.
Ma'am, calm down. You're scaring your daughter.
Take me in.
Please, I don't want
Ma'am, calm down. You're scaring your daughter.
Well, that's okay because you're scaring her. We are not committing a crime. You go after those murderers and drug dealers out there. That's okay. We're going to jail. Come on, take me in. You just take me in.
Please don't take us to jail.
I'm not.
Yes, he is. He's taking me to jail because I don't want to deal with any more traffic tickets. I have spent $150, $50, $200. I don't have any fucking money. Do you understand? I have no fucking money to pay for that.
6459 Bastrop. Ma'am, just try to calm down.
No, just take me in.
You have another unit close to roll by here. Ma'am, stay in the car.
Take me in.
Come on back here with me.
Take me in. Take me in.
Shut your door. Come on back here.
You take me in right now. You take me in.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I don't want
Stay in the car. I'm not going to take her to jail. Stay in the car.
I don't want my
I'm not
going
to take her to jail. Stay in the car.
I don't want my
I can't afford a goddamn ticket for going hardly anything
Just
over
roll
the
me in that
speed
unit
limit.
this way. Everything's code
I
4.
don't want my mommy to go.
Tell him to come and
She's
take
not.
me in. You just come and tell him to take me in.
Hey,
there are
go
robbers
get in
and
the car.
killers and drug dealers
Go get in the car.
everywhere. And you
Go get in the car.
My mommy.
No.
Lady, you need to calm down. Get over here out of the
You
road.
just let me go.
Get over here, ma'am. Come here.
I'm sick and tired of
Come on here off
this. You check my
Persian
record right
cool
now.
water.
I have spent $500 in 3 months. I cannot afford it.
Please.
I don't know what the woman's
Please
problem
let
is.
us go.
Ma'am, just have a seat in the car.
I'm sick and tired of it.
Hey, lady, come here.
I'm sick and fucking tired
Ma'am,
of you.
come here.
No.
Come here. Stay right there.
What?
Stand here. Calm down. Compose yourself now.
I can't. You rev up that ticket and I'll compose my fucking self. No, you call your officer and sheriff and tell him to come pick me up, because I'm not going to deal with another fucking traffic ticket, you liar.
Little girl, go get in the car.
I don't want it.
Ma'am, go have a seat in the car.
No!
Mommy, please don't go.
These fucking guys, they fucking have nothing better to do than give me fucking traffic tickets.
Ma'am, come on back here. Ma'am.
I hate y'all! I hate y'all!
Get my spray ready. I might have to use my spray.
Let's just get arrested, okay? Because the next time we
Ma'am,
get stopped,
have a seat.
then Mr. Nice police officer is going to arrest me and throw me in jail. He doesn't give a shit about anything. You are facing the opposite way, you liar.
Hey, little girl, come here. Ma'am, you need to put your child in the car before she gets run over.
I don't want my mom to go away from me.
I hate those fucking kids. You can shove that truck up your ass because I'm leaving right now. Come on, Lindsay.
Ma'am, you're not going anywhere. Ma'am, don't make me chase you down this road.
Where am I?
Ma'am, I'm telling you, don't take off.
I'm not accepting a traffic ticket from you, you bastard. All of y'all are bastards.
Okay, don't take off. I'm telling you, don't take off.
What's going to happen? Going to throw me in jail for speeding? Huh? Is that what you're going to do?
Officer, please don't take us to jail.
Well, you need to tell your mom to calm down.
Buck Steiner owns this fucking town. You call him and tell him to come get me.
He owns this town.
Yeah, he pays your fucking payroll. That's for damn sure.
It's all right, ma'am. Turn the car off.
No.
Turn the car off.
Come and get me.
I said turn the car off.
Yay!
Turn the car off.
You're using force on me.
I'm not going to tell you again.
Unload!
Turn the car off.
Of me.
Give me the keys now.
Help! Help! Help!
Officer, please don't take us to jail.
1329.
We didn't do anything wrong.
1398.
And I know she did.
Austin 6298.
Turn the car off. I'm telling you, turn the car off.
Hey!
Now, get out of the car. Get out.
Arrest me. Go
Turn
ahead and
around.
arrest
I'm
me.
going to. Come here.
Come on, please.
I've had enough.
He's arresting me.
Turn around.
Oh, no. Okay, we all don't arrest us.
Look.
Please don't arrest us. Please
Ma'am, all I'm going to do is give you a speeding ticket.
Don't.
You sign it?
Arrest us.
Okay, you sign it, be on your way. No, nothing else, okay? You just need to calm down.
Mommy, just
All right?
sign it.
Okay.
That's all I'm going to do. Just calm down.
Yeah, well, I'm fighting this motherfucker. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, but this car is fucking...
That's what court's for.
Just sign it, Mommy, and then it'll all be
Okay.
I'm code 4.